Okay, so this is when we learn how to find the area of a triangle when the height's not given to us. So we're going to use the triangle EFG, and we have the sides labeled again. Little e for the side opposite angle, E, and so forth. Okay, and keep in mind that the H is the altitude or the height of the triangle, and we know, and you've learned back in elementary school, that area is equal to 1/2 base times height. So what we can do is, using this triangle, and using that the altitude makes a right triangle, we can take a look at this angle here and do sine of angle G is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. And that gives us this equation right here. Sine of angle G is equal to H over E. And all we need to do is solve for H. So to do that, we're going to multiply each side by E. So E times sine of angle G is equal to H over E times E. The E's will cancel out, and so now height is equal to E sine of angle G. Since the height is equal to E sine of angle G, we can take the area formula that you have used since elementary school. Area equals 1/2 base times height. And now we can substitute in 1/2. The base of the big triangle is side F. And the height is E sine of angle G. Notice that side F is this side right here. Side E is this side. And angle G is this one. So in order to use this method of finding the area of a triangle, you need to have a side, an angle, and a side, but not just any side and an angle and a side. It wouldn't work if you had angle E but had side E and side F. Would not work. You have to have the angle that's between the two sides that you have. Let's look at the given triangle. Has side lengths 15, 20, 27, and one angle is given at 105 degrees. Notice that all the side lengths are given, but only one angle measure is given. When that's the case, we can only use that one angle. Okay, so this angle right here, 105, which means we have to use the 20 and the 15 in order to find the area. So to do that, area is going to equal 1/2 times 15 times 20, and then times the sine of 105. So we just have to go to our calculator now. When you go to your calculator, you're going to get approximately 144.89 units squared. Okay. Since it's still dealing with a measurement, a length measurement type of thing, you will round to 2 decimal places. So in conclusion, we say that the area formula is the one from elementary school, 1/2 base times height, or we can say 1/2 side A, side C, times sine of angle B. So either of these will give you the area of a triangle, depending on what information. But the nice thing is, this one can be used when height is missing. So when height is missing, we can still find the area of a triangle.